Sanibonani Absheni Dumelang Kamala Mukhipha usizi intombi ekabhalwe intombi zala ngonamadi uzimba umkhandela umaphanga. Yebo ngibuyile futhi and ngithi namhlanje ukubekezela. You know, we are told we grow up sifundiswa ngokubekezela, you know, but ekubekezeleni kwethu singabantu, are we ever told ukuthi ubekezela to which point? And where do you draw the line as a person? Mangabe ubekezelile nje so long through everything. It doesn't matter ubekezele emsebenzini, ubekezele ekhaya, ubekezelela, you know, noma ngabe kuthiwa ubekezelela inja bakithi, you know, but uyayifundisa ukuthi mayiye lapha yana yona iyale. Ukubekezela sibekezela until uzwe kuthini kuwena ngaphakathi, because we you know, it's so easy to tell a person ukuthi bekezela kuzolunga, bekezela, but do we actually give that advice ukuthi umuntu abekezela until nini? You know, some people keep bekezeling, you know, bekezeling so much that they end up drowning in themselves. Wena ubekezele yonke into eyenzakalayo around wena ubekezele, you are that person who's saying, yeah, like, yeah, I'm not shifting from this, I'm gonna work on it until, you know. Let's touch a bit on ukubekezelelana as abantu, more than ukubekezelela into that you're trying to hustle on. I understand that can be a different story. If ufuna ukubekezela nami ngathi ngifuna ukubekezela ngizobekezela until ngize ngi-reach out to whoever that I need to reach out to with these videos. That's a different story from ukubekezelela amanye. You know, ukubekezelela into oyibonayo nawe ukuthi la ayingangami. When do you draw the line? When do you shift and say, this is not for me? This is not working out for me. I have to try a different route.